Now keeping you and your family safe. This is 2 Works For You weather, certified most accurate.
Good morning to you. The time is now 6:40. If you have outdoor plans, you should be able to get away with them without getting rained on. So dry weather for Green Country this afternoon. Temperature's not bad either. We'll see highs nearing 60 degrees. Now, right now, the weather is dry. In fact, the entire region is seeing dry weather on Viper 2 HD. The area of low pressure just off the weather map will start to spread rain into Texas by this afternoon. And then by this evening, after dark, we'll see rain moving into Green Country. So most of today will be dry before it rains tonight. 33 degrees, a cool but not overly cold morning. 27 the wind chill, southeast wind at 7 miles an hour. Temperatures typical for this time of year, 20s and 30s. 23 Bartlesville, 28 toward Grove, 35 Tahlequah, 34 Muskogee, 37 in McAllister. The wind will increase after sunrise. A bit on the breezy side this morning. The strongest wind will be during the afternoon, near 10 to 20 miles an hour, and the wind will be from the southeast. Then you'll notice tonight the wind will be turning to the east out ahead of the area of low pressure and rain. Here's what it looks like on the Futurecast. Stronger wind later this morning and this afternoon. Now at 5 p.m. today, the rain is going to be to our south. Then between 6 and 10 p.m., we will see rain spreading into Green Country with rain highly likely by midnight. So most of the period will be dry, up to 55 degrees at noon, increasing clouds as we go throughout the day, and 60 degrees at 5. The bulk of the rain we're going to see with this weather system will fall while you're sleeping tonight and Wednesday morning. And then Wednesday afternoon, most of the rain will be over with, though we still could see some lighter showers nearby. We need the rain, and by golly, it looks like we're going to be getting that rain tonight.
By golly. All right. Thanks, George. Well,